of a foreclosure lead, but on my entry fee, I think I entered my assignment a little bit too high.
Okay.
It's a sub two deal.
Okay.
Yeah, reinstatement's like about like 9.5. We're giving the seller 5,000, and I'm asking 10 grand for an assignment fee.
Doesn't sound bad.
Yeah, the interest rate it's 2.75 monthly mortgage. The PITI it's about 1100, 1110.
Oh no, you're good, bro. You're not asking for too much.
Uh,
What is that? Does it have any equity at all?
According to what I see on Deal Machine and all the stuff, it has I think like 60% equity.
Oh, bro, you're not asking for enough. Shit, you could wholesale that deal.
Yeah, that's what we're trying. I'm trying to wholesale it, but everyone that's been texting me has just been asking me a lot of questions, and then they keep asking me, "So how much do you want for the assignment?" I'm like, "Oh, just 10 grand," and they just stopped texting me after that. I'm like, "What the fuck?"
Man, 60K. Okay, give me the numbers real quick. What's the ARV?
Uh, ARV, it's about like 215.
215, okay. And then you're getting it, is it in a good part of town or a bad part of town?
It's not in the bad part, but not in the good part. It's like it's really quiet there. It's like low income area, but not too low income,
How much work does it need?
but like 5,000.
5,000 to make it worth 215?
Yeah, well, basically, yeah. Well, it just needs carpet in one little spot. Needs the drywall's kind of messed up on one area, and just paint all over the house.
Let's say
The
10.
paint's really dirty.
Let's give you some room. I would even put 15,000. I've never bought a house that needed 5,000. Let's just say
Yeah.
worst case it needs 15 to make it worth 215, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so what do you have it at? What is the note?
Uh,
What do they owe on the note?
on the note, they owe 120. The payable balance, the outstanding balance is 120.
Okay, 120. And then okay, the outstanding balance is 120. And then you're saying that um the arrears are what, 10 grand?
Yeah. Well, basically, it's like 9.5. Basically 10 grand.
All right. So you're getting it for what do they owe on the note again?
120.
So 130 altogether with what they owe, right? 120
Uh,
for the note and then they owe 10 grand to get it back.
yeah. Can I send pictures through here?
You can send them to my email and I can open it.
Yeah.
Bro, it looks like you can make 18,000 assignment fee on this.
Yeah. There's one guy that was asking me questions about this part, and so I tried contacting the owner again, but it was a hard time contacting him, getting his information. It says the down payment assistant, deferred balance. What's that mean?
Say that again?
The down payment assistance.
Down payment assistance, that's for when you first buy the house.
Uh, what's your
Yeah, send me the email. I mean, yes, jrhernandez at offerpros.com. It's looking like you got a 20K assignment fee right here. You're not charging.
J.R. Hernandez? What?
Yeah, at offerpros.com. Bro, I might buy this damn house. It sounds like a good deal.
Oh shit. I sent it to you my bell bond email by an accident, but
It's all
it's
right.
it's A1 Speedy bell bonds. That's the last month's statement, bank statement.
All right, it's not here. jrhernandez at offerpros.com.
Yeah, your picture came out when I sent the email.
Oh, okay, okay. No, it hasn't came by yet. Oh, there it goes. Boom. All right.
Check spam because last time my emails for some reason. Oh, you got it.
Yeah. Here, let me share my screen real quick so y'all can see. Alright, we got a lot of deals to look at today. So this is a sub two we're looking at right now, guys. This is what I like right here. This is how every meeting should be. We should be able to look at deals like this all day long. Alright, so let's see here. Outstand, so principal is 120. Oh, it looks like he owes, like, you gotta pay plus 26. Deferred
Yeah,
balance.
that's what some guy was telling me, and like if I got documents for that, and I was like, oh shit, no, but let me contact the homeowner, and the homeowner wasn't answering me because he has like a crappy ass phone, could barely even hear it.
Yeah, so like 120 plus 26 is 146 plus 8 for 748 for 950 for 150, 54. So this is the new balance right here. You gotta pay
Okay.
off, you gotta pay off all this before you,
Yes,
but
that was last month's statement. You got to put this month's too because he didn't pay for this month either.
so this right here is all he has to pay to bring it like back, but he's still gonna owe the 120 plus 26.
But
So
that was the part that I was kind of confused about. I was like, oh shit.
yeah, so the 8,000 or this 9,700, whatever, this is just to get it reinstated, just so it won't, it won't foreclose. And then this is what he's gonna owe after that. Deferred balance of 26 plus 120. So he's all in, the note is like this much right here. You got pictures of the house?
Yeah, I got a whole Google Drive. Do I send it to your email too?
Um, man, it's still not a bad deal. Yeah, send it to my email. 215 minus 155. Shit, there's still equity in it. Shit. Why don't you fucking come with this reinstatement right here and buy it for yourself and then list it?
Mm, I'm not really interested right now at into.
Shoot,
Well, I have the money, but it's like it's tied up to my business, and I don't want to mix it. Well, it's tied up to my bail bond business, and I don't want to mix it up.
Is this the address right here? 925 Hackamore?
Yep.
Bro, I might buy this thing. This don't seem too bad. Fort Worth?
Yeah, basically, it's in White Settlement. It's right next to Fort Worth.
That's it right here?
Yes, sir. The Honda.
Man, this still don't look bad at all. 8K. Huh. Yeah, I might have to do some research on that. Don't look too bad of a deal.
Yeah, I'll send you another. Yeah.
Yeah, it is pretty clean.
That part, you see, but there used to be one that same area. It used to be carpet, but he put out all the carpet in that area.
Mm-hmm. Bro, you should be able to sell this sub to no easy. You got a real sub two buyer, they'll buy this all day for 18 down. So the way you would say it then is that when you're trying to sell this note, I mean the sub two, you would just tell them that it's gonna be $18,000 to close, right? Because they're gonna owe or 95, so it's gonna be what, about 20?
Mm-hmm.
About 20 grand cash to close plus closing costs. And then the note is gonna be they're only gonna owe 146. Bro, that's a deal, and it's worth 215 at 2.75%. Bro,
Damn.
that's a real good deal. If that was in San Antonio, I would buy it for sure. And I'm still interested in that. I'm not even from there. You got a deal for sure.
Yeah, what I was looking at the rental area in that area is like 1,007, 1,009, that area alone.
Yeah, no, it's a
But
deal.
it is a 3-1 house.
Yeah, no, it's a deal, bro. All 100% all day.
I
Alright, so let's get to it. Alright. So, alright, so that's a deal for sure, and you are not charging too much. Absolutely not. That's some like that 10K on that is a good deal. You're doing somebody a favor to answer your
Yeah.
question. All right, what else do we got, guys? Okay, so I know we had a lot of deals we got to review today, so I'm gonna go through them real quick. Let's see.
Bree,
Bree. Bree, you there? Bree. All
I'm
right.
back. What's up?
All right. Let's talk about your deal. We got our first deal under contract or what?
Basically, I feel like we do. Feel really confident with this.
She accepted the offer of 150, right?
Yes, over the phone. Yeah, she said yes to it. She
What's
said
the
she's
address?
921 Davis Road.
91 Davis. That's the one we already looked at, right?
Yes.
Oh yeah, it's a deal. It's on market for 225 and we're getting it for 150. 75
Yeah.
off.
Mm-hmm.
Hell yeah. Let's get it. I'm gonna fill out a contract right now, as a matter of fact. You know what, guys? Okay, this is what we'll do, Bree. We'll fill out this contract. Let me go over all the deals that people have questions on, and then we'll end the call with the writing the contract.
Bet.
All right, so let's see. Alicia, we already went over hers, the duplex. Andrew, you here?
yeah,
Okay. Um, so you're saying that you want to go over one more time how to approach the call with the listing agent and the part
yeah,
about the option period.
yeah.
Okay, so this is for the duplex that, how much was it for again?
40K.
That was the one that it was already under contract, right?
Yeah,
Okay, so you would just call the listing agent and you would just say, hey, so I'm interested in this property. I see that it's under active option. Um, I'm interested in it. I'm gonna be following up with you in a few days to see if it didn't go under, if they didn't go past our option. Um, what does that look like? If they run out of option, are you gonna do another highest and best, or are you just gonna take more offers?
okay.
Because on that one, they did a highest and best. They waited until they had all the offers and then they picked one.
Oh, okay, I got you.
Yeah. So and I try to get as much out of them. Hey, so what would it take to get this deal done if they don't come through with it? How much would it take? And sometimes they'll tell you, sometimes they won't.
Oh, okay.
Uh-huh. And then what else did you say about the option period?
Oh, yeah, that you already explained that part.
Okay, so real quick again, you're gonna call the realtor. Hey, realtor, how's it going? This is Andrew. I was calling about the duplex you have for sale. I see that it's under option period right now. I was just calling to see, I have interest in it, and if it doesn't, if they don't proceed with the deal, I definitely want to make an offer on this. Real quick, what would it take to get this deal done? How much? And just like see if dip your toe in the water, see if they'll give you some info.
Okay, cool.
What was the address again?
830 Porter Street.
Let's see if it's still on the market. Doesn't show it. Oh yeah, under contract. Oh, they went past their option.
Oh, shit.
But I mean, you can still look back at it.
Okay.
All right, so let's see. At least supposed to, yeah, well, I think I already answered that one. All right. We already got all this. Then we already got Dre Street, duplex. All right, Roland, we got some more, right?
Yeah, I posted one and then I posted another one. It had like 6 different properties on it that people had responded to about.
Okay. Do you got any prices or no?
So I'm still waiting to hear back on let me see, let me go back. Because you gave me let me see. I think the one on The one on dress that we talked about that we said to offer them 150 that they had bought it last month, which was the lot 902 dress.
Mm-hmm.
She said no. She just straight out said no.
Oh, yeah, but we already know she wants way too much.
Yeah. And then the one that was on 415 Hallie, max offer was 95, start at 80, because it was 40 in work. They hadn't responded. I did reach out to them again, sent them a message as well, and still nothing back. And
Okay.
then the other ones that I spoke about, that I got in touch about, the first one was 603 East Drexel, is a vacant lot with utilities. She told me she's not wanting to sell at the moment, but she is willing to hear what an offer would be if it was made towards her.
Okay.
1232 Virginia. He is interested in selling, but he didn't give an asking price.
Okay.
1723 Gorman. He is asking for 160 as is. The other one was 1422 Caton. That's the one I sent you the pictures of, and it was burned down.
Mm-hmm.
The guy, somebody else has it, but he was willing to JV on the property to help, so because he needs help with getting a buyer.
And who is that?
His name is. Let me get his exact name. 22. Yeah, I came across it. I think that one I have found on Marketplace. His name is Damien.
Oh, I think I know that guy.
Yeah,
That
kind of
was the
young
one-
kid, I think.
It's burnt, right?
Yeah, that was the burnt one. That was the one that you texted me saying that it was a burnt property.
All right,
The
let's see.
next one,
So Coco Nino, that's too high for sure. I know where that's at.
okay,
That's like full price. And then Ash Rock. Let me see where that's at.
yeah.